Welcome to Beechwood Cottage. Here's a quick overview on how to use the gas fireplace. First thing you want to do is locate the instruction card, which is hanging from the damper control knob above the fireplace. Read this card carefully. It has complete instructions for using the fireplace, but also review the tips in this video. Begin by removing the instruction card from the knob, and then turn the damper 3 to 4 turns all the way to the left. Then, locate the gas control knob. It's in the firebox in the lower right-hand corner, and it has a piece of green tape on it. This is the only item you should touch inside the fireplace. Don't ever touch the logs or the andirons, and please don't move the ashes or sand at the bottom of the pit. To ignite the fire, just turn this control from the 12 o'clock position to the 9 o'clock position, and the flames will come on. If it gets too warm in the TV room while you're using the gas fire logs, it's a variable control, and you can turn it down by turning it back towards the 12 o'clock position. When you're finished using the fireplace, or if there is no one in the room, please always turn the fire off by returning the control knob to the 12 o'clock position and closing the damper by turning it all the way to the right. If you don't close the damper, cold air will come in and make the room pretty chilly. It also could blow out the pilot light. If the pilot light has blown out, please consult the instructions for relighting it in a separate video. Thank you for choosing Beechwood Cottage, and enjoy your stay.